Though they now sparkle like the stars, my signature joints, the Uh-Ohs aka Orifice Openers, have not always been so flossy. In fact, they were downright plain. I had been making oversized joints for 6 months when I was invited out to Denver in February 2018 by the weedhead Duchess to co-host the Bud and Bougie party during the Women Grow conference. At the conference, Women Grow co-founder Jaden West led a joint rolling class where she provided fancy gems for decoration. I fell in love immediately. Over time, my construction and craft improved as I modified my methods of creating and decorating the O's. Each one is different, shining with its own pizzazz and flair. However, they've always been overflowing with 7 grams of top quality flour, powerful hash, and hand-rolled and stuffed by yours truly. I create each one of them to fit the specific occasion, and I cater to my intended group. When I was informed that the bling may hurt the hands of the elderly, I introduced fabric-covered crutches. And that's how my joint ended up with a Russian hat. Uh-Oh, aka Orifice Opener. It is so pretty that your eyes widen. It smells so good that your nose opens. The Dank is so loud that your ears open. It is so big that your mouth drops open. It looks like a wild ride, so for those of us so inclined, those lips open. And for those of us with a stick up our ass, they'll drop that right out.